Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add Google Translate to your WordPress website. To add Google Translate, we need to log into our dashboard. So we are already in our dashboard. Since we are using a plugin, go to Plugins and Add New, and search for Google Translate. This is the plugin. Install it and activate the plugin. The plugin has been activated. Click on Settings. Here are a few options on how you can display Google Translate. You can choose float, drop-downs with flags, drop-down, flags, and many more. Please note, you might need to write CSS to customize as per your theme. Let's use a simple drop-down. There are two ways to display it. Showing menu. This is our main menu. Choose the languages you want to translate and save changes. Let me open the site. So here are the translation options. We will need to use CSS to position it right. Now let's do it with a shortcode. Choose this to none and use this shortcode. You can use it anywhere. Save changes. Let me refresh this. So this is gone. Now go to Appearance and Menu. Click on Custom Links. Add the shortcode here and hashtag on URL. Add to menu. So it is added here. You can change the position. Save menu. Now refresh the site. So here is it. You can use a shortcode or add it to the menu directly. With shortcode, you can add it to the footer or any pages you want. Now let's position this. The CSS really depends on your theme. This is using Enfold theme. Right-click and go to Inspect. Click here and click here. So here is the class name. Click on this plus icon. Now write your CSS. Margin top CSS will work. Adjust the value as required. Now copy this CSS and go to Appearance and Customize. Go to Additional CSS and paste the CSS here and publish it. So it is working all good. You will have to write your own custom CSS to adjust it properly, as it really depends on the themes your site is using. By the way, you can also add this custom CSS to the plugin itself. Go to the dashboard, go to Plugins, Settings, and you can add the CSS here as well. Anyway, so this is how you can use Google Translate on your site. Thank you very much.